For the best product performance, please clean and maintain your robot according to the following instructions. Open the latch to release the top lid. Remove the filter basket. Empty the debris from the basket. Then thoroughly rinse the filter basket layers. Dry the filter and filter basket completely before placing them back into the robot. It is recommended to clean the filter basket after each work and replace it according to the recommendations on app to ensure that the components are working properly. Use a tool to pry open the edge of the side panel. Remove the side panel and the track. Clean the side panel and set them aside. Clean the parts with water or cloth and dry them. Install the new track, then manually rotate it to ensure it moves smoothly. Installation is complete if the track turns properly. Reattach the side panel. Remove the old roller brush. Secure the new roller brush to the brush holder. Use the tool to remove the obstacle climbing wheel cover. Remove the scraper that needs to be replaced. Align the new scraper with the reserve slots on the wheel cover and insert it. Reinstall the wheel cover back into place.